Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I got another food product review for you guys. I'm taking a look at the Stuff Puffs marshmallow treats. These are big bites filled marshmallows. On this side, we have the S'mores Stuff Puffs, and on this side, we got the Monster Marsh Stuff Puffs. Try saying that 3 times fast. So I'm going to be trying these two, see what they're all about. First one I think I'm going to take a look at is the S'mores Stuff Puffs Big Bites Filled Marshmallows. So these are s'mores, graham cracker coated marshmallows made with real milk chocolate and graham cracker crunch. The sweet taste of nights around the campfire. Oh, there you go. Not for nothing, these are quite a pain in the neck to open. What the hell is going on? Man, the seal on this bag must be steel. I feel like that guy trying to open a glass container that's glued shut. Yeah. Hope no one's playing a prank on me right now. I'm getting the scissors. So I finally got it open. This is what they look like. Has that nice graham cracker coating and has graham cracker crunch. There's only a few of them in here, not too many, maybe about, I'd say less than 10. These smell really awesome, just like graham cracker and marshmallows, and I bet they taste even better. So, let's try them out. Wow, that is really awesome. These are a problem. Oh yeah. The chocolate's really heavy, but I definitely love the graham cracker coating and the crunch for sure. It's all there. Yeah, the s'mores definitely hit a home run out of the park with this one. Gotta say, definitely lives up to the description. Definitely get these bad boys for sure, especially if you're a big s'mores lover. Next up, I'm doing the Monster Marsh. The description on this says it's green marshmallows coated in orange, black, and green sprinkles and made with real milk chocolate filling. They definitely look Halloween themed. I mean, Halloween's almost here, or pretty much here by the time of this video, right? The back says, "We've created a monster." Oh, I bet you did. So now I'm going to try to attempt to open this bag. Hopefully this one doesn't give me a hard time. Perfect. No issues at all. Not really getting a marshmallow or a chocolate tone, but definitely smells like sprinkles. And here's what they look like. Very interesting color. I mean, then again, you know, Frankenstein, Halloween themed. I get what they're going for. And once again, I think there's about 8 pieces in here. Really not a lot, but again, you are getting a giant marshmallow. These do look amazing. I absolutely love sprinkles, so let's try this out. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be tough for me. I feel like this one is more sprinkles, which personally I prefer. I like a lot of sprinkles on any dessert. Heavy sprinkles, as a matter of fact. This is a great combination, I gotta say. I did not think this was going to be really that good. I really didn't. I was thinking, probably like, I don't know, a cupcake or something, you know what I mean? It's like, whatever. This is actually something else. Truly awesome. Love the flavor of the sprinkles. Marshmallow, chocolate filling. Everything is just perfectly added up to make the Monster Marsh. Highly recommend you go pick these bad boys up wherever you see them. So now going head to head with these, I gotta say, this is a tough one. The s'mores one and the Monster Marsh are honestly tied for me. I can't choose, but I gotta say these are really great products. I did not expect to be blown away like this. Head to the store, pick both of these up. You can't have one without the other. You have to have both. No question, they're that good. Especially if you're a big fan of marshmallow. No question, get these, and you can thank me down in the comments later on. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Rumble, at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's your boy Mickey Mac. As always, I'm out.